Hi, Mr. Smith. Good afternoon. I'm Ibrahim, and welcome to how Trello can work for ABC Design Company as you scale from 50 to 150 users in the next 150 staff in the next 12 months. We got your email, and then I'm sending this video as a clear explainer on how Trello can help you to prioritize your team tasks across priorities. Now, the first thing that I realize is Trello is a very visual tool. I'm not a technical person, and I'm able to use Trello to prioritize my tasks. I'm prioritizing it across different values for my organization. And so I'm looking at those which are blocked, I'm looking at those which I'm planning to achieve, those which are yet to be designed, ready for engineering or back end. Within each board, I'm able to go on a particular card, which is a feature within a board that allows me to put in very concrete details and assign people with due dates to a certain task, allowing us to be very focused on the task at hand. One of the core things that you had asked within your email was the fact that you are not ready to commit to a 1 year contract before you even begin to use the tool. As you get used to the Trello platform, you begin to notice that its features are far reaching and it's one of the most free platforms that you can get as you look to organize your team's priorities across different tasks. Trello allows you to have a limited number of boards but an unlimited number of cards, allowing you to prioritize the most important things for your company. You also have unlimited number of power-ups, allowing you to integrate with core team tools like Slack, Gmail, or Google Drive. You also have two-factor authentication, which allows all your team information to be secure. Now, some other core things that you had mentioned in your email is you had also talked about the bad reviews that Trello has on Glassdoor. And Trello has nine reviews on Glassdoor, for which 7 of them are 5 stars and 2 of them are 4 stars. Trello has very good reviews across board, allowing it to have 4.6 stars on average on Glassdoor. However, the most important reason why I'm going to tell you to select Trello for your team is because Trello is intuitive to even non-technical users, suitable for product management and everything in between, allowing your senior execs to be able to see tasks with priorities at the same level that a developer within your organization will be able to. Trello is also easily accessible regardless of location, regardless of a technical understanding, as I mentioned, and also regardless of device. So a user can be able to access it via the smartphone, via the web. As you continue to scale your team from 50 to 150, you realize that Trello is a very solid tool for you to use, and then it's also user friendly, and then it's also affordable. These are the core things that your email was based on. However, if there are any other points that you feel my video has not been able to address, please let me know so I'll be able to respond as soon as possible. Thank you, Mr. Smith.